Power-ups, in English, boost your vocabulary. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the term power-ups. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it in your conversations. Let's boost your vocabulary. Power-ups is a term primarily rooted in the video gaming world. In games, a power-up is an object that gives the player some form of advantage or extra ability. Think of it like getting a shield, a stronger weapon, or faster speed in a game. It's a way to level up or improve the gaming character. Outside of video games, power-ups can be used metaphorically in everyday language. When someone says they need a power-up, they might mean they need a boost of energy or motivation. For example, a cup of coffee in the morning can be a power-up for many people to start their day. 1. In a gaming context, I found a power-up, and now my character can jump twice as high. 2. Personal motivation. Before my workout, I listen to upbeat music. It's my power-up to get in the mood. 3. Daily life. I haven't had my morning coffee yet. I need my power-up. So there you have it. Power-ups, originally referred to advantages in video games, but now it can be a fun way to talk about getting a boost or advantage in real life. We hope this has been a helpful and engaging lesson. Keep powering up your English skills, and we'll see you in the next video.